Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ClickUp dashboards with custom reports detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify ClickUp dashboards with custom reports, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the dashboard section of your workspace. Select the dashboard you wish to verify from the list. Once in the dashboard, identify the widgets you want to check. Click on the settings icon for each widget. Review the data source connected to the widget. Ensure the selected data source reflects the correct tasks and projects. Next, verify the filters applied to the widget. Adjust the date range to confirm the data is up to date. Check for any additional filters that may limit the data shown. Now, compare the dashboard data against your ClickUp tasks or list views. Open the relevant list or project pane for a direct comparison. Cross-check the task counts and statuses displayed. Pay attention to any custom fields included in your reports. If discrepancies are found, revisit the widget settings. Adjust filters or data sources accordingly. Save any changes made to the widget settings. After making adjustments, refresh the dashboard for updated data. Repeat this process for each widget to ensure accuracy. Document any changes or notes for future reference. After verification, consider sharing insights with your team. Finally, schedule regular checks to maintain dashboard integrity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.